Hello Mr. Clark, I'm Raymond Fu. Today I'll be explaining quiz 3 question 1. The first thing I have to do was input turtle, and then I assign WN equals the turtle.screen. This is what shows the screen. Next I assign test equals the turtle.turtle, and then I set the background color of the screen to light green. I set the pen size to 5, and then put pen down. Next I have my function, which I named it multicolor squared, with the parameter t, size color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. And then inside the function I had t.penColor color 1, and t.forward size, and then t.left 90. This right here draws the bottom side of the square with the color red. This draws the right side of the square with the color green. This draws the top side of the square with the color blue. And this draws the left side of the square with the color magenta. And this is actually what runs the code. So if I click run, we can see that it actually works.